Again, when dun sa issue ng impeachment, we are looking forward for the actual trial to start. The House has already complied with its duties with regard to the impeachment proceedings. We have already transmitted it to the Senate according to the rules and regulations of the House and the Constitution. All impeachment complaints, as we have answered before the Supreme Court, were transmitted and included in the order of business within 10 session days. Again, according to the provisions of the Constitution, we are looking forward that as co-equal branch of government, that the Supreme Court will see the wisdom of the actions of the House of Representatives in its role in the impeachment proceedings, and that the Senate also will now conduct its role in the impeachment proceedings by conducting the trial so that they can try and decide the impeachment complaints based on evidence and merits.